shock-absorbing case from the factory. The modified cutter has tungsten steel blades and one-piece molded guides. The cutter has Aerospace aluminum, CNC precision machining, old Polar Oxidation, and other processes. Okay, let's start by stripping the pigtail. Stripping the outer coating clean. Next, place the bare fiber in the fixture. This is a 3-in-1 fixture. Push the guide for cutting. Cutting is done. It's so smooth and easy. This 3-in-1 fixture supports fiber optic cable, drop cable, pigtails, and bare fiber. Modified cutting knives are anodized and strongly rust-resistant. Blade life is even up to 32,000 cycles with 16 cutting points, and is less than or equal to 0.8 cutting angle.